Migrants Resource Center Canada sa mga organisasyon na nilalapitan ng mga temporary foreign worker na madalas nakararanas ng pang-aabuso sa trabaho. Ikinababahala raw nila ang naging pahayag kamakailan ni Conservative Leader Pierre Poilievre kaugnay sa panawagan nito sa federal government na tanggalin ang temporary foreign worker program sa bansa.
Migrant workers are needed to sustain our essential sectors like agriculture, construction, care work.
Hindi na raw sorpresa para kay Jill Ann Santiago ang pagtulak ng conservative leader na alisin ang Temporary Foreign Worker o TFW program. Ang mga komento umano ni Poilievre, tila nagpapalala lamang daw sa hinaharap ng diskriminasyon ng mga migrante sa Canada.
I think it will definitely add fuel to the fire where there is a portion of the Canadian population that are genuinely angry about the current living situation, their current work situation. And when they listen to these comments, it kind of gives them a population to blame. So instead of looking to the government's inaction and corporate greed.
Bagamat naniniwala raw siyang may kamalian sa programa, di raw tama na sisihin ang mga manggagawa sa mga krisis tulad ng unemployment at housing, mga isyung dapat tinutugunan anya ng gobyerno.
There's definitely a disconnect and a lot of folks don't actually know what is happening in these migrants' lives. Like many of them can't even afford to rent a place downtown, or they have to share it with many roommates. So to blame them for the housing crisis, I don't think is the right population to blame.
Sa anunsyo ni Poilievre kamakailan, kinakailangan daw itigil ang programa para mabigyang trabaho ang mga Canadian. Sinigundahan ito ni BC Premier David Eby na kung hindi raw tatanggalin, kakailanganin ang malawakang reforma sa programa. Tugon naman ni Prime Minister Mark Carney Biyernes.
One of the things that this government put in place was restrictions to reduce the flow of low-wage foreign workers, so those who are taking the lower-wage jobs in this country. And that flow is down 70% this year. I'll repeat that, 70% this year. So context is important, trajectory is important. We're acting, things are moving.
Sa tala ng Statistics Canada, lumobo ang bilang ng TFW sa bansa noong 2022 kumpara noong taong 2000. Partikular sa healthcare sector na nasa halos 60,000 ang TFW. Paalala ni Santiago.
Whether it's the Conservative Party in power or the Liberal Party, both parties have expanded the temporary foreign worker program in some way. So it's